Hello everyone! We are going to now be working on our new goal for the week, which is counting on. So, would you please get out some sort of paper or socks, something so you have, I have, and you have. If you have a hand chart, great. If you have 2 pockets, great. If you have 2 socks, if you have 2 bowls, just something so that you can show I have and you have. And would you also take out your, what is this called? Whiteboard. You take out your whiteboard or your blank piece of paper. I've decided that I'm going to use my blank piece of paper actually because I don't have Expo markers that are in different colors. So I'm going to use a blank piece of paper just so I can use my colored markers to show my different numerals and my math symbols on my piece of paper. Okay, so taking out your hands, your blank piece of paper, and also taking out, I have, scoot down a little bit more. I have my 10 pennies. I'm not using all 25 right now. We don't need all 25, but I have my 10 pennies. It's my 1 cent. We see that C with a line through it that shows us cent, penny. So I have 10 of those, and then I have 10 nickels. 10 nickels. That's the 5-cent coin. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nickels. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have my nickels and my pennies. The activity we are going to be doing together, our counting on activity, we are going to be using our coins in our hands, but this time we have to think we are going to have more than just pennies. So we're going to have more than just the ones that we've been counting. We're going to also have 5 coins as well. So if we saw a 5, say I had 5 in my hand and I had 2 pennies as well. So I had a 5 and 2 pennies. I have a nickel and 2 pennies. So I know a nickel is how many cents? 5, right. Okay, so 5 and then 2 more. So I can use my counting on strategy. 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. See that? 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to put it down on the table so it's easier to see. There we go. So I have, scooting make sure my pennies and nickels don't get all together. Okay, so if I have 1 nickel and 2 pennies, I think to myself, okay, I know that nickel is how many cents? 5, right? Okay, so 5, and then adding on my 2 pennies, 5, 6, 7. Using that adding on strategy. Okay, so say I have 5, 6, 7 cents all together, because we figured out that 1 nickel and 2 pennies all together is 7 cents. And you have this many pennies. 1, 2, 3. So we know 5 and 2 more makes 7 cents, and 3 pennies makes 3 cents, right? So now we need to figure out all together how many we have. So let's write our math sentence down, thinking about addition. We have our math numeral first. I have 5 and 2 more was 7, right? I have 7 7, purple math symbol, plus 7 plus, you had this many pennies, 3, right? 7 plus 3, purple math symbol. What's the math symbol in equal sign? Okay, finding that sum. I'm going to put this down so that we can look at our coins. Okay, so I have 7 plus 3 equals, and I have 5, 6, 7. You have 3. So we can think, okay, I have 7 and 3 more counting on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see how fast that was? We could have thought, okay, 5. I know this is 5 cents, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1 penny, 6, and then another penny, 7, and then 3 more pennies, 8, 9, 10. Instead, we thought, okay, I know I have 7 pennies, and 3 more, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's write our sum. 7 and 3 more equals 10, right? 10. Okay, 7 and 3 more equals 10. Next, clear your board. Okay, that was kind of the example one. Now I want to make sure that you are doing this with me. So in your I have hand, pocket, bowl, I would like you to put 1 nickel and 5 pennies. Okay, double checking I have 1 nickel. Make sure that you can see that. 1 nickel. I'm going to scoot my light a little bit so that I make sure that you can see. Okay. Maybe that's a little brighter. See if this, oh, that's a little bit brighter. Okay. Go. Okay, so I have 1 nickel, and then I have 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I think I have 5, counting on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 cents, and then you have 1 nickel and 1 penny. 1 nickel we know is how many cents? 5, counting on 5, 6. Okay, so our math sentence, we figured out our total for my hand is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, writing down our math, our sum, writing down our addend. Let's just do this. Up this way. Okay, so I don't know why it's so dark in here. Okay, 10 is my first addend. We counted, I had 1 nickel and 5 pennies. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, counting on 10. Purple math symbol. Plus 10 plus, and then we figured out you have a nickel, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, counting on 6. Because that 1 nickel and 1 penny is 6 cents. Okay. 6. Purple math symbol. equals, then we could look at our coins again. Okay, so I have 10, because I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then counting on 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 and 6 more equals 16, right? So writing my sum, 10 and 6 more is 16. Okay, one more together, clearing our boards. Okay, next we have, or I have, 1 nickel and 1 penny. And you have 3 pennies. So 1 nickel and 1 penny, counting on, I have 5, 6. So I have 6 cents, and you have 1, 2, 3 cents. Okay, so writing our addends. Okay, our first addend, I had 1 nickel and 1 penny. So 5 and 1 more equals 6. Purple math symbol. You had 3 pennies. So how much would that be? 3, right. Our second addend is 3. Purple math symbol equals. Now we can use our coins again. Think, okay, I had 5 and 1 more, which is 6 cents. Counting on 6, 7, 8, 9. Double checking. 6, 5 and 1 more, 5, 6. Counting on 7, 8, 9. Okay, so our sum, 6 and 3 more makes 9, right? Okay, we are just going to do 3 for today. Tomorrow, we are going to continue with our thinking of adding on, and we're going to continue doing these little practices all together every day this week. So just to continue having that thinking of adding on before we start our worksheets. Okay, everyone, nice work today, and I'll see you in just a second for the everyone worksheet, and then the next video will be the students who would like a little bit more of a challenge. Okay, bye everyone.